I'm Mike Zima, co-founder of Zima Media, and welcome to our WordPress SEO Setup gig. After 1,000 reviews, we've distilled everything we know about WordPress into this setup gig. You're going to receive setup for your WordPress site, keyword research, page optimizations, and blog writing. And all of this is done through video communication just like this. This is a modern SEO gig where we work on your content, and the continuation is really helping you write more content that ranks on Google. We've done it before and we do it all the time. In 2020, you need content to rank. Backlinks don't matter anymore. Google knows if you have fake backlinks, so don't even waste your time. Invest in your communication because backlinks are not the road to success. It's your content. If you're connecting with your customers in this day and age through your text, then you're going to convert more leads on your site and grow your business. Reach out to me in the Fiverr inbox today. Thank you for checking out our gig. I wanted to introduce you to some more of our services. Our social media management gig will create posts for Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to help you connect with new visitors. And our blog management gig will create SEO content that ranks on Google and will help you get found online. I hope to hear from you soon.